chilly there. A lot of change in the next few days either. So cold and grey, really the theme for much of this week. Now the reason it's so chilly is because we've got easterly winds with us. That is a cold direction at this time of year, drawing in some icy air from the near continent, so quite raw if you are exposed to that breeze. Along with that, we've got a lot of cloud around, so temperatures today really aren't that special. We've got the cold wind, we've got the cloud, so highs are just 3 or 4 degrees, probably some of the mildest weather towards the north and west of Scotland, 6 or 7 here. Now, the cloud is thick enough in places to produce a little bit of drizzle, even a little bit of sleet and snow in places. I don't think much of it's going to settle. We could see maybe 1 or 2 centimetres settling over Dartmoor, say. I don't think we're going to get too much in Wales, just a lot of cloud around here. Not too many breaks in the cloud, maybe a hint of a glimmer of sunshine across parts of Northern Ireland, but I'm not holding out too much hope, I have to say. It is rather a grey scene for most of us, and that's the case for the most of Scotland and England as well. A few holes in the cloud here and there, but generally it is a fairly thick blanket of cloud, producing just a few flakes of sleet and snow here and there. Like I say, it's not going to settle much except over the hills. For most of us, it'll just be a few flakes passing by in the wind. A few holes in the cloud across parts of East Anglia and the southeast, but I think if you see much sunshine today, you really will be one of the lucky few. Now, through this evening and overnight, not a great deal of change, really. We'll still keep quite extensive cloud across the UK, and once again, that will be producing a little bit of sleet and snow here and there, so a light dusting in places, mainly up over the hills, so we're not expecting it to cause too many problems. There'll still be some breaks in the cloud out towards the west, so temperatures here falling into their lowest, -1, maybe -2. You might need to watch out for 1 or 2 icy patches. And then tomorrow, well, it's more of the same. Just look at this, central and eastern areas, again, just stuck underneath that persistent cloud. Still a little bit of sleet and snow, maybe some there across the North York Moors, parts of the Eastern Highlands as well. To the west, a little bit of sunshine, but again, look at the temperatures, 2 to 4 degrees for most of us, so another very chilly feeling day. Now, into the weekend, we might see some subtle differences. I think there's a chance of some more substantial sleet and snow just moving its way across the heart of Britain for a time. A little bit of uncertainty about this at this stage, I have to say, about amounts, the exact locations. We'll certainly keep you updated. Not expected to be a huge problem at this stage, and in any case clearing away through the second half of the weekend. So it should be generally dry by Sunday, but I have to say still feeling rather cold. Darren.